What's up, guys? So today I have a special guest who is coming to my tiny house. His name is Brad, otherwise known as The Average Brad, which you can find on Instagram. And he works for Tiny Home Tours. So today we're going to do a little behind the scenes of how Tiny Home Tours films their tours. Just ignore him.
Just ignore him.
Yes. What's up?
I'm Brad.
All right, Brad. I'm Jessica. Nice to meet you.
Nice to meet you.
Finally made it.
I finally made it.
Yes.
This is cool.
Yeah. Hey, family, it's okay. He's nice. He's nice. Yeah. Good boy.
I got a little microphone for you. Pretty much how have you watched any of the Tiny Home Tours?
Oh yeah.
Oh, yeah.
I've watched forever. For a very long time.
You filming me get all the stickers off?
Yep. He went and peed in the bushes and got all them prickers.
They're all like...
Oh yeah. They've seen it on me when I'm doing my videos and stuff all in my hair.
Oh yeah, got them all. Yeah, so I ask questions. Pretty much what we'll do is we'll start out front with your microphone. You tell me who you are, name of your tiny home, what kind of tiny home it is, and like anything else you want to say in introduction. You say, come on inside. And then we'll start in the kitchen, and then we'll go to the bedroom, and then we'll go to the bathroom, and then we can come outside and talk about anything and everything outside you want to talk about. Talk about the things you like, talk about the things you don't like, why you built it the way you did. Get into details with it and brag about your space. There are things that questions I will ask just because to keep the conversation going and getting as much content as possible. But if I ask a question, just answer the question in full sentences. So if I say, how many gallons of freshwater storage do you have? And you go, 5. People won't know.
Right, because you're going to cut that part out of you asking the question.
Say, I have 5 gallons of freshwater storage.
Right.
I'll just point things out. I'll be like, hey, tell me about this. Tell me about this. Get into detail if you want. It's also your tour, so if I ask a question, you're like, I don't want to talk about that. We don't have to talk about that. It's pretty easy going. It's your tour.
Okay.
Talk about what you want to. I'm pretty laid back.
Yes, I feel like I know you already since we've been
talking
for a month.
Yeah.
I've had to reschedule numerous times.
I'm usually way easier than this. It's just been the boat there when I dropped it in the water it was just one thing after another. And
that's what happens when you buy boats.
Yeah, but it was just this was bad. Like it was just like I had no time to do anything else. It was like boat. And now I'm finally like chilling out.
Yeah,
and having a good time.
Boat is bring out another 1,000 every week. Pretty much, especially in the beginning.
So and then last week I was ready. It just didn't have the right part to hold my camera on the gimbal for B-roll, so wouldn't have been able to film.
Yeah.
Annoying.
It's all right. It was supposed to happen today.
I agree. Beautiful day.
It is a beautiful day, and it's gonna get in the 90s. So, chop chop.
Ready when you are. So transition sentences are really cool. So hey, welcome inside the tiny home. This is the kitchen. Over here, down here, on this side of the kitchen, over all this stuff. Transition sentences.
So you want me to like really point out everything?
Point out everything.
Okay.
So alright. We'll do that in B-roll. Just talk about how it comes up and down. So that's when we're done filming. I come in and film everything we talked about.
Oh, and you do the little
close-ups. That's all called B-roll.
Gotcha. Okay. Oh, God.
I haven't flown this thing in a while, so.